Good morning. My name is Adam Smith, and I am TV6's newest sportscaster, and today we will be talking about something other than the Upper Peninsula Bowling Club for once. Today, we bring you a special report about physics and how it relates to football as we look at an NFL kicker at a recent practice. Newton's first law states that an object in motion stays in motion until acted upon by a non-zero net external force, and an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by a non-zero net external force. This law can be seen in action as the kicker prepares for his kick. The football is not in motion because no unbalanced force has been exerted upon it. We call this static equilibrium. Now we will see as the ball is kicked, it enters dynamic equilibrium. It will continue in motion until it encounters another force that brings it to a halt, in this case, the ground or the wall. Newton's second law of motion states that the change of motion depends on the magnitude of the force and the mass of the object. Another way of looking at it is as the force increases, acceleration increases, but as the mass of the object increases, acceleration will decrease. All NFL regulation footballs have roughly the same mass, so the rate of acceleration, or speed of the ball as it leaves the kicker's foot, will depend on how much force the kicker is able to apply to the football. In this video, the kicker is attempting to kick the football about 60 yards down the field. In order to do so, he'll need to really put some power on that kick. Let's see how he does. Nice. Finally, we come to Newton's third law of motion. This law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. For example, in the game of baseball, when the bat hits the ball hits the bat with an equal amount of force. The same concept can be seen in our video. As the kicker's foot kicks the football kicks the kicker's foot with an equal amount of force. Let's see that one more time up to speed. Right there. The same amount of force is exerted on both the ball and the foot. So now that we have identified all three of Newton's laws at work, let's watch the whole video so we can see all of these principles in action.